Coker, and I work for the CalFresh Healthy Living University of California program. I'm here in Redding, California, which is in Shasta County. You may be watching from another county. Today I have a recipe I'm going to show you, and this is from the Up For It curriculum, lesson 9A, and it is what's faster than fast food. I'm going to be taking a look at my notes as we go. This is a super burrito recipe, and it's fast, simple, and tasty. Here's our ingredients. We have whole wheat tortillas, a can of refried beans, or any kind of beans will do. I happen to be using the black beans that are low fat, and they're refried, and I have a jar of salsa. Any kind of salsa will do. Fresh is really great. Homemade is wonderful, but it's nice to have a jar of salsa in the cupboard to have on hand just in case. We also are going to be using cheese. All right, so let me take a look. The first thing you want to do is tie your hair back, which I've already done if you have long hair, and you're going to want to wash your hands. So come along with me and I'll wash my hands. We're going to wet our hands, put a little soap on, and we are going to want to scrub for 20 seconds. Now we're going to want to rinse really well. Use the back of my hand to shut off the water. And get them nice and dry with a clean paper towel. A clean dish towel or hand towel would do as well. So it works out nice to set the table ahead of time. So this recipe serves 4, so we have 4 plates with napkins, 4 cups, and we always want to make sure we have plenty of water to drink. So that's all set up and ready to go. And so then the next thing we're going to want to do is open our can of beans. But wait a minute, you want to be really careful because we don't know who's handled the beans in these cans or where they've been storaged. So rinsing it under water, which is a great idea, and I've done that already, but I also want to show you a clean washcloth or a clean paper towel, and you want to wipe it off, because just think, if it's dirty, germs can get inside your food when you're opening up your can. So, do that. This is a great can opener. A lot of people have electric can openers. Alright, so I'm using a knife. I think that helps to get the beans out. And give a little, see if I'm patient, I'll come right out. Whoops, almost. Smash them up a little bit. You want to use a microwave bowl, so a good plastic bowl. This one is microwavable. A glass bowl works as well. And we want to cook this for 2 to 3 minutes. I always start on the lower. And we want to cover our bowl with a paper towel. While that's heating up, I'm going to start to grate the cheese. We need 4 ounces, which is about a cup grated. Sometimes I buy cheese that's already grated, but it can be really cost efficient to grate it yourself. Getting close. Let's Let's check and see how much we have here. Looks about right. Yep. I think that's just about right. Get it all in there. All right. We need some salsa, about a cup of salsa. Warm up our whole wheat tortillas. We're going to do this on the microwave. We'll need 4. And sometimes they stick together just a little bit. Just like that. Recipe calls for microwaving for 15 to 20 seconds. We'll see how that does. Let's check. Oh, they'll soften up just a little bit more if we go about another 5 seconds. That's just right. They're nice and pliable. All right, let's add the beans. Warm. And some salsa, about a 1/4. And some cheese. Any kind of cheese will do. This is a Colby Jack. Fold it on the sides. Use your fingers. It might get a little messy to get it all tucked in there. Fold it up nice and tight. And here's the first one. Oh, this looks delicious. This was fast, delicious, cost-effective, and it only took about 13 minutes to make. Thanks for watching.